Hello and thank you for your interest in ClickShare. In this video, I would like to give a basic introduction about ClickShare for the IT administrator. ClickShare consists of three components: a ClickShare base unit, a ClickShare tray, and a number of ClickShare buttons. The ClickShare base unit takes care of the processing and it's connected to the meeting room's display or projector. The ClickShare tray is on the table and is used to store the buttons when they are not in use. The ClickShare buttons take care of the wireless transfer from the laptop to the base unit, which will then put it on the meeting room screen. The ClickShare base unit is directly ready for installation. However, you might want to change some configuration settings. There are three ways to access the base unit's web interface where you can change the configuration settings. In this case, I will access it using the wireless web interface. Then you browse to the IP address that is mentioned in the manual. There's also a password that you need to enter before you can access the configuration settings. In these settings, you can, for example, change the wallpaper, change the Wi-Fi channel in which the base unit is operating, or you can upload a software update. Please note that the SSID of the wireless network of the base unit is hidden. This means that it will not show up in the list of wireless networks in your operating system. There are several instructions that you can find online how to connect your laptop to a network when the SSID is not broadcasted. The range between a ClickShare button and the ClickShare base unit is 30 meters or 100 feet. This actually means that this ClickShare button is in the range of another base unit in one of the other meeting rooms. Now, to avoid that strange things happen in other meetings, we pair this ClickShare button with the ClickShare base unit. This is really simple to do. You simply plug in the ClickShare button into the front USB port of the base unit. They will both start blinking white, indicating that the pairing is in progress. You will also see a message appearing on the bottom right of the meeting room screen. When the LEDs stop blinking white, that means that the pairing is complete. Now, the ClickShare base unit will not only do the pairing, it will also do the update of the ClickShare button. It will check the version number of the ClickShare button software with its own version number, and when a software update is required, it will do so. When a software update has been finished, the LEDs of both the base unit and the button will be solid red to indicate that also a software update has happened. Using ClickShare involves running an application on your laptop. This application is available on the ClickShare button and needs to be started by the user every time that they want to use ClickShare. There's no software installation or administrator rights required. Both the application and the button use power from the laptop, so they might have a slight impact on the laptop's autonomy. The ClickShare buttons have no battery inside because they are USB powered. When you plug the button out of your laptop, no trace is left on the computer. Now, to avoid having to start the application every time that you want to use ClickShare, you can choose to use our launcher service. This launcher service can be pushed on all the laptops by the IT department. Now, what this launcher service does is, as soon as a button is plugged into the laptop, it will detect this and it will start the application automatically. As soon as the ClickShare button is ready to share, the user can click the button to wirelessly transfer the laptop's display to the meeting room screen. When the meeting is finished, you just plug out the button and put it back into the tray. This was a basic introduction about ClickShare for IT administrators. If you want any more information or if you have more questions, please visit our website where you can find a comprehensive set of frequently asked questions.